All right, so we'll be able to tackle the homework. So let's now go to today's classwork now. Look, make D the subject of the formula, given that S is equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 to D. I think this is a formula for sum of finding number of terms under arithmetic progression. But nevertheless, let's see what to do now. Solution. You have S equal to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 in bracket, close D, close it. You make D the subject of the formula. Put D in a bracket. The first thing you need to do here, write this. When you look at this very well, you can write this n over 2, open the bracket, 2a plus, there's thing for you to open this bracket using this D to multiply. So D times this, you have dn minus D times 1, you have D. So now, look at this n. We use this n to open the bracket. Use this n to multiply every expression you have inside the bracket. So S will be equal to n multiplied by this, you have 2an plus n multiplied by this, you have dn squared, because you have n here and there's another n, so it become n squared, minus n multiplied by this, you have dn. Don't forget this 2 here. The 2 will be here. So everything over 2. The next thing for you to do now, look at equal sign here. Put 1 here. Then you do what? You cross multiply because of this equal sign in between the two expressions at the left-hand side and the right-hand side. So you cross multiply. These 2 go for this. 2 multiplied by S equal to 1 multiplied by 2an plus dn squared minus dn. All right, so 2 multiplied by S, you have 2s equal to 1 multiplied by this will just be 2an plus dn squared minus dn. Don't forget that you want to make D the subject of the formula. Well, when we look at this expression, D is here, this here. So let's try to make D to be at a separate place. We transfer these 2 here to this side. So you have 2s, this plus 2an become minus 2an equal to dn squared minus dn. All right, our attention is still here because we want to make this subject formula. Write this 2s minus 2an equal to, D is common here, this common here. Let D be outside. Are we together? And then we have what here? N squared minus what is left here? N. All right. So we have a clearer picture here now. We want to make this subject formula, but this expression is with this D. So we divide both sides with this expression. That's n squared minus n. This is what? N squared minus n. So this cut this. What do we have left? We have 2s minus 2an over n squared minus n equal to D. So now we have to put it in a proper state. So it will be D equal to 2s minus 2an over n squared this. With this, you are almost done. So just a little step. So you can have D equal to 2s minus 2an over, you can factorize there. So n, this n squared, put another n in bracket, minus what? 1. So n times n, n squared, n times 1, n. So with this, you are done with this So this is the solved formula for the day. So please don't forget to join the link, share it, and put your expression into the comment section. So meet you in again in the part 3 for change of subject or formula. Thank you and have a nice day.